Hello learners, welcome to Options and Futures Secrets course. In this course, we will dive deep into the fascinating world of futures and options. We will find tools and develop strategies to make consistent profit in all market scenarios. The complex derivative market and the structure has been simplified where even a 6th grade student can understand. I am Premanshu Chanda, the founder and instructor of Stock Market Ritual and your instructor here at Udemy. With 8 years of experience in stock market, I have made all the mistakes that a beginner makes, learned my hard way, blown up accounts, and finally became profitable. So my mission is to help you to become profitable without making the mistakes that I have made. With this course, you can be profitable since day one. You will understand and have a deep knowledge of futures and options from the very basics, and with the strategies, you can make profit in all market scenarios. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an advanced trader. You can be a 6th grade student, or you can be an 80-year-old or 60-year-old or a housewife. You can be a professional as well. With this course, it will benefit you for sure. As a beginner, this can be and this could be the only course you need to become successful trader. In this course, we will learn about the basics of futures and options. Then we will dive deep into the speculating tools. We will learn indicators and develop a strategies, future strategy, option buying strategy, and option selling strategy to trade and make consistent profit throughout the year in all market scenarios. So, congratulations for taking your first step toward financial freedom, and we will try to ensure that you reach your goal. Welcome to the course. We will see you in the lectures. Good luck and happy trading.